Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all of Trading 212's features. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Invest. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you two choices, Invest or CFD. These are the two main account types Trading 212 offers, and you'll need to select the one where you want to set up your recurring payments. For this example, we'll click on CFD to demonstrate the process. Next, you'll need to open the specific stock or asset you want to set up recurring payments for. You can either browse through your existing positions or use the search bar located in the upper right corner of the screen. The search bar makes it quick and easy to find any stock, ETF, or asset available on the platform. Once you've located the asset you want, go ahead and click on it to open its detailed view. With the stock now open, look to the upper right corner again. You'll notice a small plus icon positioned right beside the three dotted lines menu. This plus icon is your gateway to creating new orders and setting up automated investing. Click on this icon to proceed. A menu will appear asking you to select whether you want to sell or buy. This choice depends on your investment strategy and what you're trying to accomplish with your recurring payments. Go ahead and select the option that fits your needs for this particular asset. After selecting buy or sell, you'll need to enter the value or amount you want to invest with each recurring payment. This could be a specific monetary amount or a number of shares, depending on how Trading 212 has structured the order form for that particular asset. Enter your desired value in the appropriate field. Now here's the key step for setting up the recurring payment feature. Just below where you entered your value, you'll see an option labeled Recurring. Next to this label, there's a small icon. Click on that icon and you'll see a toggle switch appear. Simply toggle this switch on, and you've successfully activated recurring payments for this stock. This feature ensures that Trading 212 will automatically execute your chosen buy or sell order at regular intervals, helping you implement a consistent investment strategy without having to manually place orders each time. And that's it. You've now set up recurring payments on Trading 212, allowing you to automate your investment strategy and maintain consistent market participation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.